Hello students, welcome to my class Standard 5th. This is Snail Rane and today we are going to learn the first chapter of your textbook, which is large numbers. This is first chapter of your textbook of 5th standard. See the first topic, that is Indian numeration system more than lakh. You can see the table. The place values are given ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000 and lakh. According to that, zeros are put in the 9, which is 9 at ones place. The place value of that 9 will be 9. The 9 which is at tens place, the place value of it is 19. According to it, we'll start putting the 0 and the last number which is at 9 lakhs place, the place value of it will be 9 lakh. Now see the next, which is Indian numeration system. It is table of Indian numeration system. See the place values at the top: unit place, tens place, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. This way we can write down the Indian numeration system. See the example, first example. First of all, just notice the commas. In the Indian system, after every 3 places, see after every 3 places, last places, unit, tens, ones and 100, it will be comma, then 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. See the number how to write it down: 5 crore, 8 lakh, 1592. Now see the expanded form of the Indian numeration system. See the example. The 2 is at crore place, so we are going to put the 7 zeros. The 9 is at 10 lakhs place, so we are going to put 6 zeros. The 8 is at lakhs place, so we are going to put 5 zeros. The 3 is at 10,000s place, so we are going to put 5 zeros. The 5 is at thousands place, so we are going to put 3 zeros. And the 1 is at 100 place, so we are going to put 2 zeros. The 7 is at tens place, so we are going to put only 1 zero. And see the last number, which is 6. It is at ones place, so we are not going to put any zero there. So this is called expanded form of the number. Now the next topic is predecessor and successor. What is predecessor? The number that comes just before a given number is called predecessor. See the example, 10 lakh minus 1. The answer will be 9,99,999. The next is successor. The number that comes just after a given number is called its successor. See the number 99,99,999. Added to the 1 plus 1, it will be 1 crore. That means predecessor means before number minus one number from it, and the successor means after number. Add one number in it. In the predecessor you have to minus one number, and in the successor you have to add one number to get the next and before number. It is called predecessor and successor of the number. Now we are going to see the next topic, which is international system of numeration. You can see the picture of international numeration system on your screen. See the table first. Now international numeration system are different from Indian system. See the place value, again unit, thousand and million. In the unit there are 3 places: ones, tens and thousand. Ones, tens and 100. In the thousands there are 3 places: one, tens and thousand. And in again millions there are 3 places: one, tens and thousand. How to read this number? See, 987 million because it is given in million slot, 654,000 because it is given in thousand slot, and 321, only 321 because it is given in unit slot. Now you can observe the commas of international system. It is different from Indian system. See, the commas after every 3 numbers are given. It's totally different from Indian system. You can observe the number. Now next topic is operation on large number. It is addition and subtraction. It is same like a small number you do. See the addition, see the last place, ones place, 2 plus 5 plus 8 plus 1. It will be 16, so we'll write 6 down and we'll carry 1. Say the next one, 0 plus 2 plus 1, it will be 16. Again we'll write 6 and we'll write 1 at the top. Same way we'll just carry the number and write down the answer. See the subtraction, we'll just minus it. See at ones place, 5 minus 1 it will be 4, 9 minus 6 it will be 3, 1 and 8 it will not be minus, we'll borrow it. In the same way as we do for the small number, we again minus this number in the same way by borrowing the number from the next number. Now the next is multiplication and divide. You can see the multiplication. In the first step, we are only going to multiply 2639 with 2. In the second step, we'll multiply 2639 with the 10 because 1 is at 10th place. In the third step, we are going to multiply 2639 with 300 because 3 is at 100 place. And now at the end, we'll add all the numbers so that we can get the answer 8,23,368. Now see the next example, which is of divide. In the divide, we write the divisor outside, which is 21, and dividend, which is 2496, in the inside. Now we'll start taking the number according to its table. We'll match the number. If it is not suitable, we'll take the number which is smaller than that given number. And the remaining number which we get here, which is 18, it is called remainder. You can see the number, dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder in the questions. Now the last topic of this chapter, which is estimation. You can see the example of estimation. See, 417 plus 289. 470, first of all we are going to see the first number, that is 4, and before that number it is 1, which is less than 5. So we are not going to change the number, we'll write just 400. And see the next, that is 289. Before the first number is 2 and before that it is 8. 8 is the more than 5. So we are going to add one number in the previous one, that is 2. It will become 300. Now at the end we'll add 4 plus 300. The answer and the estimation of 417 plus 289 will be 700. Thank you for watching this video.